Hello Jim, Tech Buzz. Next in for review is the Innergie C10 Geo and World Travel Plug Kit. So this has got GAN technology, 100 watts dual USB power adapter, and that's pretty much it there. So you've got fast charging and smart charging allocation. You've got the 55 and 30 and 45 and 45, but it looks that there. It's a bit mushed up the sticker, but that's these. So let's have a look at them. Right, so in this one we have got the plug itself, and where can we get a start? I suppose here. So that's that there. You've got the Innergie branding. There's where your adapters will go, and you have two outlets here. Nice bit of weight to that. And here is one of the adapters here. So you'll simply pop in and twist like so. Job done. And we'll pop that back in there for the time being, as this one offers us some more, which is cool. So you're traveling a lot like myself, this is going to give you options to bring what you need wherever country you might be going to. So we've got another one of these in here. You've got this guy here, your standard 3-pin, and of course your 2-pin. And that's what you're going to get in these boxes. So you've got two of these, which is kind of handy, just in case you lose them. And that's that there. So let's have a look at them in action. Well, look at this one anyway, as we won't be requiring these for the time being until we travel. But we can show you this one in action. You can see you've got 100 written on the front there as well. Okay, so we've got the plug in down here to our left. I'm going to try something here. I'm just going to take off this case because these cables are thicker than usual. And we can see what's happening here. So here I have one of the good cables, and on this it'll also give us a reading. So just want to see what it says. When it cycles through this. And it's saying 6.8 quick charge, but it's fluctuating. So that's that there. So what I'm going to do is move this back out. I'm going to leave this cable in and put the second one in. And I'll just plug it in there and pop it in and see what the reading is up top this time around. So that's the kind of readings that we're getting there. Now, if I plug in a second device to charge, I just want to see if that drops, which it will. It's expected to drop. So what they're saying is that you've got 3 different charge modes. You've ultra fast and you've mix and match. So you'll have, wherever you're charging is obviously going to affect it like any other plug. So if I plug that out, you can see it changing straight away there. So that just gives you an idea how that's going to work. Like any other plug with this similar capacity like this. And if I plug this one out altogether, just want to see, is there any change there? You can see it's changing again there. But in essence, it's fast charging. It works and it's a great kit to have. And that's basically all there is to it, you know. So you can try different apps as well. There's a couple of different apps I've tried, and just, you know, it's just whatever app you choose, they're all going to be kind of similar. And that's really about it there, what you can expect. So you have the C10 100W dual USB power adapter, the kits that you see in the unboxing, and basically that's it. So it's safe and reliable. You've got the USB-C compatibility with the latest charging standards, and again your 3 charge modes. And again, you want a good cable as well. You don't want one of the cheaper cables, like, so just that's why I've demonstrated 2 separate ones there. And we've got just the standard USB-C. We'll just plug it out all together, and then we have this good one here that's capable of the fast charge as well, and a million other cables to try, but there's no point in going through them all. They all do the same thing. They're all good cables I have here. Anyway, don't have really cheap ones, but that's basically what's going to happen. You know, you can charge 2 devices at high capacity, any of which is the main thing, and charge up fairly quick, and it's portable as well. And I've got all the little bits and pieces to be showing you there as well. That's about it. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.